Welcome to our tutorial on creating comprehensive student reports. Generate a printable PDF report to use for parent-teacher conferences or detailed one-on-one reviews. In this video, we will walk you through how school staff members can download reports for students. The portal currently has several student reports that cover key areas including attendance, mock Regents exams, and academic performance. If you have an upcoming one-on-one meeting with students in the 11th grade and you would like to discuss their grades for the current school year, you can easily access and print out their academic student reports so that you can share it with them during your meeting. We will access the data grid from the left-hand side navigation. Select Edit Columns at the top and uncheck Selections to clear all columns. We will add grade and official class. Then save. I can filter the grade column to show only 11th graders and then select Generate Reports from the top toolbar. Using the checkbox next to the column header, I can pre-select all 11th graders, or I can individually select specific students by clicking the checkbox next to their names. Click Generate Reports. There are several types of reports available to you: Student Snapshot, Regents Plan and Prep Report, High School Assessment Report, Attendance Report, and Academic Report. But for this example, we will choose Academic, then Generate. This is an example of what a student academic report will look like. Utilize these reports to set goals for students with your team or to share with families to motivate and challenge themselves. For questions or help, use the Calendly link in the video description. Stay connected by following us on social media for exclusive content, the latest news, and updates on student success. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to create a student report in the portal by New Visions.